So we have Nova Beauty lipsticks that are perfect for the summer. I'm going to be swatching these out and showing you guys their new collection. I'm so excited. A big thank you to Nova Beauty for sponsoring today's video. A lot of you guys have requested like lip videos, how to match lip liners and lipsticks and create that ombre effect, which I'm going to be showing you guys. And these lipsticks are also really good lipsticks for the summer. And they have lipsticks and lip glosses and lip liners. All right, so first up we have the Nova Beauty Cream Lipstick. So this first shade is Rosette. So this one is a really bright pink color. I love this color. It looks super flattering, perfect for the spring and summer. And then next you have the shade Extra. So this one is a little bit more richer, but it's still also a really nice pink and orange shade, and it's also perfect for spring and summer. Next up we have the shade Blaze. So this is like a dark red color. I love these lipsticks because they're really moisturizing, they're really smooth on the skin, and they're really buildable and rich in pigment. So next up we have the shade 100. So this one is more so of a pinkish red shade and looks super beautiful and stunning. And then next up we have the shade Flare. So this one is perfect for spring, summer, and the holiday season because it's a nice rich red shade. Next we have this orange shade right here. So this shade is called Reset, and this is like a bright orange shade and looks really nice with a brown lip liner. Then next up we have the shade Days. This one is similar to Reset, but it's more on the brown shade and it has a shimmer finish, and it's absolutely gorgeous. This next shade is one of my favorite nudes. I like neutral nudes, and this is called Divine, and this one is really perfect if you're going for a neutral natural makeup look. The next up we have the lip liners. So this is a dark brown lip liner that I feel like could pair up really well with most of the lipsticks, especially if you have brown skin. This would be the perfect lip color for it. I'm starting out with this shade called Brown 02, which is a deep rich brown shade, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks so beautiful and it's perfect for the fall season. Then next up you have the shade Pink Nude, which is a nude pink shade, and this also goes really well with the lip liner. They also have lip liners. So this is the lip liner in the shade Brown 02. This has to be one of the most beautiful lip liners I have tried in a long time. It's very similar to my favorite lip liner, which is Chestnut by MAC, and I'm pairing this lip liner up with the shade Indulgence, which is a deep brown shade, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I feel like this one would be perfect for the fall season. So the lip liners are really long lasting, and it's super creamy, as you can see, and it has a matte finish. Next up we have the shade Nude 02 with the lip liner. So this one is an even lighter brown shade, and I feel like this one would be perfect with the glosses. So first up here I'm using the shade No Cap, and this is a neutral brown shade, so this is perfect for an everyday wear, and it doesn't have much color on my skin. It looks more so like my skin tone, so it matches perfectly with a no makeup look. So next up we have the shade Dime with the lip gloss. So this is a really rich and pigmented red glossy shade. So this one would be perfect with a really nice makeup look, so like a neutral or like a holiday look, and you want to do like a bold red lip. This next shade is called Fire, and this shade is honestly super gorgeous. It looks perfect with a natural makeup look. Then we have the shade Paloma, which is a really bright pink shade, and even if you're brown skin, this one looks really nice on your skin, and I think this one is perfect for a natural makeup look and an everyday makeup look as well. Next up we have the shade Fire. So this is like a super bright orange shade. I love this shade. It's perfect for warm tones. Even if you have dark lips, this one would look really perfect. Next up we have the shade Period, and this one is more so of a pink shade. It's perfect for spring and summertime, so right now this is like the hottest lip I'm rocking right now. Alright, so next up we have the shade Dime. This is a super beautiful bright red shade, but it has a little bit of a pink undertone, and it's perfect for spring, summer, and the holiday season. Alright, so those are all the lip swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs this video up, and also check out my previous video right here. So this is a no foundation makeup tutorial. I show you guys how you can achieve a no foundation makeup tutorial even if you have discoloration. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.